Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be going over how to use design tools to change element colors. Please note that this is an advanced video because you'll need to understand how HTML tags work. So let's get started. In your course, we're going to go ahead and change the colors for, let's say, the banner, all the blues to red. What we're going to do is click on open the design tools, and you'll need to make sure you have the customize the style, and you want to do current element styles and even the colors. If you don't see that, click on the settings and just make sure you have this enabled. So you'll need the colors for the banner and customize, this one at least, colors advanced. So what we do, we'll go ahead and click on one of the items. So let's say we'll do this one because it's easier. So as you can see, this is actually a H4 tag, right? So we'll hit customize the style and we'll select the current style element, right? And we want to make sure we open up the colors advanced. So when you do that and your mouse is over the your cursor is over the element, you can see how it says apply to the H4 element or the div element. So if you can see, when you hover each one, it shows you what it's highlighting. So we want to only highlight the H4, the header 4. So see how right now it shows you what the hex color is. You can manually change it by changing the hex color here, or you can even select any of the swatches here. So I'm not sure if this is the default of what the design tools offer you, but I know at least I've added my own swatch settings. So you can see I already have a dark red or a light red. So I'm going to click on the dark red, and this is the hex code that we have for the Smith School. And you can see it automatically changed the color. It only changes it for this element, not all the H4s in the page. So I need to go in every single H4 and just make sure I choose the color that I want. Right, so you can even, let's say I'm going to copy this hex, and then I can even come over here and do the same thing and click on this. So the header is a little bit different, the banner. You can click under colors for the banner theme and change it here. So let's see if I can change it. No, banner theme is better. So I want to change the section. You click on the color and you select what it needs to be, and it basically changes the entire div, right? Let's see, and then yep. Now I'm going to change this. Close this. So this is a little bit different. So this is actually unordered list. So we'll hit the element style again. We're not going to change the button color. We're going to go back to the colors advanced. Instead of applying to just the link or each list, we're going to apply to the entire unordered list, which is the UL. Alright, so we'll hit UL, and that should highlight all of these. So I'm going to hit the red, and see, now all boxes will be red. You want to do the whole thing, because in case you want to add another navigation or really delete the navigation, but they'll be applied to all of them instead of just individual LI. You see, when check, see if there's anything else. Nothing else. You can't change the colors for the accordions, the expanders, because those are based on the CSS that's up on the root level of Canvas. So let's say I'm done. Then I hit save. So now everything's red instead of blue. Right. If you have any questions, please reach out at otl-edtech@umd.edu. Thanks for watching.